let's check out 3 things that I love about our new Miele kitchen. On their induction cooking, they actually have a timer to turn off your burner. So let's say I want to cook, I don't know, boiling some water here. I can set a timer for 1 minute. Now, after this minute, that'll go ahead and turn off the pan, which is a really unique feature. You think more manufacturers would have that. Miele has it. And then another thing that I love is that you can pause. So I can hit the pause button, and it will pause the cooking for 20 seconds. It'll automatically turn down all of the burners to 1. So you can walk away, come back after a minute, and then it'll resume cooking. So that's really pretty cool. Another thing that I love is their push to open. And you would think push to open would be something that's so perfected by now, but I find it's really the only manufacturer that you can push with your shoulder and get a reliable open. Because what happens is you got a ton of groceries, or in this case, bottles of wine. And what do you need to do? You need to push to open, just a little shove with the shoulder, and we're in. And then finally, number 3, I love their wine drawer. Check this out. You have glassware. You've got a variety of wines. You can set something special here, a decanter, maybe some brandy, and then of course all your accoutrement to open and store. It's all right here. It's built into the wine refrigerator. I think this is a really clever design. You heard my timer. That means we're ready to start cooking. So 3 things that I love about the Miele kitchen. We've got more to come. This is Chef Mark. Make sure you stay tuned in. In the new Miele kitchen at Appliance Factory Fine Lines, and I'm learning about the capabilities of the Combi steam oven. Combi what? Combi steam. That means we have a combination of steam and traditional heat from the oven, all kinds of automatic features. And one thing I love about this is the lift panel. Look at this. So here we go. We've got our water fill, we have our water drain, and then when we okay, get your fingers out of the way. There we go. And when we go into these different features, we have things like sous vide, we have intensive cooking, we have baking, we have browning, we have broiling, and then we have all these automatic features. I'm still learning how to use it, but what I love is this feature where you can put in 3 different styles of food, and it will tell you when to add the food, and it will all cook simultaneously. Let me give you an example. I'm gonna do potatoes and broccoli and salmon. So I program, those are the 3 things I'm cooking. And I'll say, get your potatoes in first. And then after, let's say 8 minutes, go ahead and add your broccoli. And then after a couple more minutes, add your salmon. And then beep, beep, beep. And all of your food is done at the same time. Whoever figured that out was a genius. So I'm looking forward to trying that here with the Miele Combi oven. It's really exciting stuff we got here.